Welcome to Talking Art edition number 4. Today we are here with the minimalist works of François Aubrun. I often like to say that minimalist works are deceptive, that they seem as though they're lacking in content. However, with further contemplation, you realize that they really open up and keep giving. However, only the very best minimalist works are capable of doing this. Take this large work that appears at first glance to be nothing more than a light blue canvas. We will often have people at an art fair walk by and say, "Gee, I could do that." As we stop and let our eye focus on the work, to follow the layers and the hand of the artist, we begin to see nuances. He has taken a measured approach to applying the paint and knowing exactly when to end it and switch directions. As we begin to follow his fine and diaphanously sheer lines, we see pattern and balance and realize it is similar to listening to a quiet piece of music, or closing our eyes at the beach and concentrating on the sound of waves. It settles us down, it organizes us, and it's sensual. We have seen very few artists achieve as refined a surface and complexity of how the paint is applied. We have too much information and overload in our lives. We used to look to art to give us energy, emotions, drama, and narrative. I think that art can have a new role that centers us through refined space and light. François was a serious artist who painted every day. There was a rhythm to his life and work that was absolute. Every element, from his wife and 5 daughters to the church he painted in, to the views out the windows, the textures of the walls inside his studio in Aix-en-Provence, culminates in these canvases. Where does Aubrun sit in context of the minimalist movement in art? Think about artists like Barnett Newman, Anne Truitt, Nicolas de Stael, and Jules Olitsky. I think the title to his book says it perfectly. When I look at his canvases from this period, they are pure and unwavering. It's uplifting and timeless.